Namaskar, Didi. Welcome
No,
to,
thank you for having me here.
yeah. So it's our pleasure to have you. And I think sure, through the picture and the screen, we can see and we know who is she. Yes, she is Aditi Mangaldas ji. And
Great.
it's really we are I feel honored to have her in our show An Aspiration, where we are discussing regarding the establishment and sustainability of a female dancer in terms of socio-economic system. And yes, we all know Aditi Di, like she has taken Kathak in such a way in terms of presentation in today's time, and we all are admirer of her work. And thank you, Didi, for coming here.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to be on this platform. And thank you, Sandeep ji, for having me to share my thoughts and whichever way I can help in these really unprecedented times. I look forward to um, talking to you and to sharing few things of my life with all the participants who will eventually see this.
Yes. So, Didi, how did you start your journey, as a dancer, in terms of your training and your family support or friends, uh, like uh, everything, like relatives, how it happened to your life?
Well, I don't belong to a family of dancers. It's a family of academicians and industrialists. So there is no dancer in the whole family for, I think, many generations. But I grew up in Ahmedabad in a home where my father's mother used to live, and she passed away when I was 6. So this is pre-6 memory. And the entire family, the big Gujarati family, and she had 10 children. So their children and grandchildren and great grandchildren and their wives and husbands and all would gather in the evening. And as a young 3, 4 year old, I would jump in the middle of the table and somehow try to express my joy, my story of that day, something that had happened to me that day through movement. And I was not afraid of the crowd. I wanted attention and through movement. So my parents thought that, oh, maybe some gene has come down and suddenly flowered in this young girl, artistic gene. So they took me through dance, through music, uh, through painting, even through community science center. They say science and arts, there's a kind of brain that works, which is similar. But slowly, slowly, everything fell off and dance became my calling. Now, when you talk about family support, I have been really lucky to have an extremely liberal family. Liberal in the sense that we were encouraged to question, to doubt, to say, I don't agree with you. And because of that, through my life, my family has actually encouraged me. And I don't have a memory that goes back before I was dancing. So dance is like breath. It's Aditi. That's my identity. And therefore, any new relationships that I get into, or any new friends, or anything that comes into my Aditi is
A
meaning the
dancer.
dance is part of me.
Yes.
It's not something that is separate. Now, I am also so lucky to have the two great living legends as my gurus.
Yes. We all
Um,
know that.
I went to Kumiben. My parents took me when I was 5 years old. Kumiben says, no, you were 6, so I don't remember. But, I don't know. But it was magical because for a child to look at this beautiful dancer, intelligent person, and who also was a very liberal person. She said, don't wear blinkers. And yeah, very wide vision. And though we studied Kathak and only Kathak, she said, don't make your mind like this. Be open to life, be open to the world. From there, I was there till I was in my till I was 20 years old. But something made me feel that I'm not dancing. There's something in me that I felt I needed to explore further. And so, with her blessings, I went to Delhi, to the font of the tradition of Kathak, to my second guru, Pandit Birju Maharaj. And it was magic to be with Maharaj. Uh, in one instant, he in a way demolished all your ego, you know, and all the thoughts that you felt, "Arey, main to bahut saal se dance kar rahi hu. After all, I've danced here and I've traveled here and all that." Because with things that are so essential to know dancers, which are internal.
Yes, yes.
And I was really lucky that with Maharaji, I got an opportunity to be in his inner circle for many years, performing with him and his company all over the world. Classes were from morning, I think 10 o'clock to the night. And I had requested him that may I sit in other people's classes. And he said, of course. So also I learned a lot that there is a lot to learn from observation. You really learn a lot through observation. And when I was with Kumiben, I was all in school, I was in college, I did mathematics in college.
Wow.
So the immersion of dance was growing. By the time I came to Maharaji, my college was over, so it was a complete immersion. And yet, because of my upbringing, something in me felt after 6 years of this intense, magical period in being in Kathak Kendra under Maharaji, that something in me is not dancing. I couldn't make out what. It's like a kolahal within me, you know. So I decided that no, I want to step out and find my own path. I want to have the courage to take that step. Because under a great banyan tree, I mean, both my gurus are great banyan trees. You go to them with any problem and they have multiple solutions.
Yes.
But I want to solve it myself because that's the way I will learn. And so I left, and such me, it was like how a child learns how to walk again. Because suddenly I was on my own, and I feel that then life becomes your greatest teacher. Because you learn and you grow and you explore and you make mistakes and you fall down and you learn to stand up again. So that has been my process. And as far as encouragement in dance, you know, my world is my family and my dance. It's warp and weft. Jaise hum, you know, like a cloth is made. Tana bana. So that's me. So if my family and my dance is interwoven within me. And so in all relationships, blood or otherwise, that is me.
Like dance become your identity, and like with dance, many relationships, many layers, many colors has been added. But end of the day, the canvas is become dance only. Like that is the
So the
permanent,
camel
permanent.
dance and my family.
Yes,
Those
yes.
are my family and my dance, and therefore you can't look at a canvas and say, "Oh, I don't like the red."
No,
Oh,
everything it is there, but
that is it.
the main base is your like family and dance and yourself. Yes, yes, yeah, 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 yeah.
You can't decide one day and say, "Ki, nahi, I don't like this orange." Not
No, you have to
इतना
accept.
घुल गया
You
है
have to
वो
accept. You have to accept.
रंग इतना घुल गया है that it's difficult to
हाँ,
uh,
तो
that
separate. या वाइब, या
you
तो दीदी, पर मुझे जो अभी लग रहा था कि जैसे कि आपका शुरुआत एकदम बचपन से मतलब कुमुदित से शुरू हुई, और उसके बाद वहाँ करीबन 15 साल, 15 years after having like constant training from her, then you came to Delhi, and then again another 6 years, means like almost like 20, 21 years of learning. Then you started thinking like yes, I can find my own way or something like that. But मतलब कभी कभी ये भी होता है ना कि जो मतलब बच्चा या जो भी जो स्टूडेंट जो डांसर्स आप पहले शुरू करते हैं, तो उनका शिक्षा, जैसे कि आपका जो शिक्षा था वो एकदम सॉलिड, मतलब उसमें कोई ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि नहीं ये साल मेरे 5 साल तो मेरे ऐसे गुजर गए, मैं कुछ बाद में जाके मैंने देखा कि वो डांस ऐसे होता है, ऐसा नहीं। आपका दोनों ही एकदम मतलब सॉलिड ट्रेनिंग था। तो उन लोगों
Mhm.
के लिए आपका क्या सजेशन है कि जब मतलब उनको कहाँ तक उनको चाहिए कि नहीं मुझे शिक्षा एकदम सॉलिड हुआ जैसे कि आपका हुआ, क्योंकि 21 years is a huge time, and learning from this like the main like the doing of the Kathak of that gurus. So
I don't think it's 21 years. I think it's 60 years. I've just turned 60, and the learning never ends.
yeah, but you
Yeah,
started after, before that you even didn't think like yes I need to like find my own way, that up to that level you are
yeah.
constantly under like so उसमें अगर थोड़ा
But
सा
I think both the gurus encouraged exploration. That's very important. Kumiben encouraged exploration.
yes
Marathon encourages exploration, which you go deeper and deeper. एक आमद आप लेके एक महीना सीखोगे. Every little finger, every little turn of the head, every little turn of the chest. So what is that? That is exploration, right? And when you explore, you are always at some point on your own.
yes your body,
Whether
you can
you are
understand your body,
at
own body, yes
because you are exploring your mind, your
your
heart,
body.
and your body.
Yes, yes,
So eventually, some exploration, if it's truthful,
yeah,
is always your own.
yeah.
Therefore, I've always said that I would rather be a bad original than a great copy.
Yeah. Kumudini ji also, like once I heard from her, like it's always better like a Xerox copy, like tuta puta, like origin is more important than a fresh Xerox. मतलब ऐसे ही कुछ उन्होंने
But
मैं भी
because that bad original at least is my journey, is my exploration.
yes
My gurus have said, सुनो अदिति, ये these are the paths. चलो इस पे जाओगी, चलो इस पे जाओगी, but वो जो
you have to find
ढूंढे,
your own way, you have
yeah,
to find your
that
own way.
path is through a forest. Do I see a flower? Do I see a bird? Do I see a great tree? That's up to me.
Yes,
Do I see the asman? Do I see the
mud,
fallen
yeah,
tree,
uh, the
fallen leaf?
leaf, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
that has to be mine. My guru can't tell me, अच्छा, एक step लो, फिर आसमान देखो, 2 step लो, फिर चिड़िया देखो, फिर 3 step लो, फिर नीचे देखो. नहीं, वो मुझे कहते हैं आप इस जर्नी पे चलिए, और
और
आप
ये है
कि
कि
कौन सा फूल है,
हम्म,
चंपा का फूल है कि Is it
Chameli,
jasmine?
Jasmine, yeah.
Yeah, so that is my exploration. So
Uh,
I have always felt that you have to have the courage eventually to dance your own dance. But there are no shortcuts.
हाँ मैं इसी सुनने के लिए
There
मैं
are
yeah
no
yeah
shortcuts to sadhana.
yes
There are no shortcuts to riyaz.
yes
There are no shortcuts to complete immersion. No shortcuts in your passion. एक जुनून होना चाहिए, और एक I think eventually you must be prepared to fail.
yes हाँ वही failure is the pillar of success मतलब fail करते
Yes,
हुए ही तो अब जाके
you
बिल्कुल
must be prepared to fail because it can't be perfect or right all the time. And from that failure, you will learn. And you will learn to get up and walk again.
yes
So also I feel you must have a sense of मैं ये बहुत बार कह चुकी हूँ, I prefer to be in a position of doubt than knowing. And not doubt meaning that always कि हाँ मुझे तो सब आता है, ये होना ही नहीं चाहिए.
नहीं
शुरुआत ही ऐसे करनी चाहिए कि मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है, लेट मी सी कि मैं कहाँ इसमें मैं जा सकती हूँ, कौन सी राह ले सकती हूँ, व्हाट कैन आई डिस्कवर.
बिल्कुल नहीं ये तो मतलब और इसी विषय में अगर हम बातें शुरू कर देते हैं ना तो मुझे भी नहीं लगता कि मैं दूसरी टॉपिक पे जाए क्योंकि ये इतना उसमें चले जाते हैं ना तो
This is a great, yeah, exploration is a great discovery.
well, anyway, as we had chosen a specific topic, so that's why we need to come back. but
Absolutely.
yes, actually, this is also from your conversation. I think the socio-economic is my topic, no socio-economic system. तो उसमें देख सकते हैं कि जैसे कि एक फैमिली जो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट या जो एजुकेशन उस ओरिएंटेड फैमिली से आए हैं कोई और फिर आके डांस में कैसे वो इमर्ज हो जाते हैं उसमें जो शिक्षा उसमें मतलब और मेरे ख्याल से जैसे अहमदाबाद से दिल्ली आते हुए एक मतलब सोशल जो मतलब एम्बियंस उसका भी थोड़ा चेंजेस हुआ और आपने जैसे वहाँ मेरे पता नहीं वो क्योंकि वहाँ हो सकता है कि आप मतलब अकेले भी मतलब फैमिली के साथ रहते थे पर यहाँ आके दूसरे वो जो एम्बियंस तो उसमें भी तो अपने आप को एडजस्ट करना और फिर सबके साथ टूर करना कथक केंद्र और कथक केंद्र में पूरा मतलब पूरा इंडिया से सब लोग आते हैं तो ये भी तो एक एडजस्टमेंट है एक आर्टिस्ट एक कलाकार बनने के लिए तो उस सब जगह आपको क्या मतलब आप कैसे ये सब कोप अप किए तो उसके बारे में अगर क्योंकि कभी कभी मैं जो देखता हूँ कभी क्योंकि हर एक जो स्टूडेंट्स या जो ग्रुप में काम करने आते हैं तो वो अलग अलग मतलब बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं तो उनका एडजस्टमेंट में कभी कभी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है पर ये तो एडजस्ट करना ही चाहिए इसके बारे में अगर थोड़ा कुछ आप शेयर करेंगे कि कैसे होना
Yeah,
चाहिए ये इसके विषय में क्योंकि आने वाले पीढ़ियों के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है
dance takes you to different places. Dance makes you interact with different human beings. And dance also taxes you because at times there are great financial and social taboos and problems. I have to thank that I did not go through financial issues. And that's not because anything I did, that was.
you born or something like family or something
I was born in a privileged
yes
family.
that is different.
Yes, and so I always keep that in my mind that I was very lucky. I could have been
Anywhere like born
anywhere, and
anywhere
I could have had very less privileges in terms of financial support, right? I was also, that's one aspect, the financial. The second is a girl child. You know, even with great big, very, very well-off families, there's always this taboo about
It
dance.
means,
There's taboo, yes, and there's taboo about the girl child. I was lucky that my family, really, that's why my family is my guru too. That my family believes there was no discrimination between me and my brother.
and that's why we got Aditi Mangaldas ji.
So,
Yeah, yeah, because yeah.
you know, yeah, actually, you may be right, because they said, don't take, we are with you, whether you're a woman or a man, okay? We are with you. Your passion, your delight, what you want to do, you
Go
have freedom, but
do that.
you have to have the responsibility. If you fall, it's your responsibility.
Good, good.
Yeah. So it's not as if they said, हाँ बेटा जाओ जो करना है सो करो, नहीं, आपको करना है
With
एक
responsibility. With responsibility.
responsibility से करो. And what happened with that is that because I was encouraged to question by my family, I was encouraged to question by Kumi Ben. Kumi Ben used to say कि क्योंकि 2000 साल पहले लिखा है doesn't mean that it is written in stone.
Or it is relevant for today's time.
Yeah, whether it's relevant today, question it.
Yeah, yeah.
Find out about it. If it is relevant, work on it. Otherwise, transform it. Make your own mythology. You know, art has to breathe the air of today. It's because of this secure atmosphere that I grew out of. I had the courage to take risks and say, no, I want to question this. I want to question that. And I'm very thankful for that. And so that kind of adjustment. But each one in their own way, everybody has a story that is unique. And each of us have to traverse life with the utmost truth that we have and that we can.
Yes.
So the problems, in fact, arose more because I questioned. I said, I'm never disrespectful. I respect, but I will say with due respect, my feeling is this. I feel I may be wrong, then please let's try and discuss it. Let's try and understand it. So the struggle came when I said I have the courage to dance my own dance. The struggle is when people try to put you in a little box and say, if you do this, then I won't call you a Kathak dancer. But I have learned only Kathak with two of the greatest Kathak gurus. I have taught only Kathak. My dance company has only Kathak dancers and classic traditional Kathak musicians. 80% of my work is within the repertoire of Kathak. But there was a time when I'm a Kathakar, मुझे कहानी कहनी है आपको. That is my way of
communication. Yeah.
Yes. So if there was an emotion I was feeling, I wanted to say something, share. But the broader parameters of Kathak did not allow me, or not allowed. I did not find a way of communicating it best through that. Then either I say कि भाई ये तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. जैसे लीजिए claustrophobia, मुझसे नहीं हुआ था within the broader parameters of Kathak. So then I said, let me sow this seed of Kathak. उस पे जब मैं कथक इंस्पिरेशन डालूंगी तो एक कथक का पेड़ आएगा. लेकिन उसी बीज पे अगर I will pour contemporary
Elements.
thought,
Thought.
contemporary elements, contemporary inspiration, then the tree that grows out will be different. And I call it, because I don't know what else to call it, contemporary dance based on Kathak.
Contemporary dance based on Kathak. Yeah, yeah.
So now this, sometimes people get nervous when someone apparently breaks the rule, seemingly breaks the rule. But आप सोचिए टेम्पल से जब कोर्ट
दरबार
में
में, हाँ, दरबार में क्या है उसके बाद, हाँ,
दरबार में गए थे,
हाँ,
तो कितना सारा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हुआ था.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
उस टाइम के डांसर्स ने हाउ कंटेम्पररी दे मस्ट हैव बीन to suddenly transform their dance into something whose intention was different.
Different, completely different. Yes.
So, anyway, that is my story. As I said, I am thankful to life and thankful to my gurus and thankful to my family that it has been a very proactively liberal and educated family.
Yes. Yes.
Where child was not looked down upon.
Equality.
It was total equal opportunities, equal whatever,
And I think like as your like background is something like that, and your like education and your like everything is like that, that's why it might have been easier for you to cope up with the situation, like when like as you told, like it was not accepted like initially. So like because you knew like what you are doing and what is your purpose and what is your thought, and so that I think that it supported you in some way, like to maintain your willpower or your belief, or मतलब मेरे ख्याल से क्या दीदी ऐसे ही मतलब.
what helped, of course. See, there are dancers who are suffering in terms of financial stress, suffering in terms of being removed from their family, social stress.
So,
I didn't have financial stress, I didn't have social stress, right? So that were great. These were great two components that helped me stand up and say, this is what I feel.
yes, yes, yes.
Right?
Yes.
I absolutely agree to that. And for someone else, it would have been much harder because they would have two social and financial pressures added to the artistic pressure.
Yes.
So I was only
Artistic like pressure
was on me, but not the financial and the social. And hats off to those dancers and artists who have artistic pressure, financial, and social pressure.
like to manage.
So,
Yeah.
so hats off. I mean, I do my pranams to them.
No, but anyway, like जैसे कि आप रास्ता दिखाए तो इसीलिए कोई मतलब जा सकता है, तो ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा काम जो आपने स्टार्ट किए है डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि कभी कभी ये होता है कि many people can try to think in a different way, but because of the socio-economic system sometimes they are in doubt, like whether it will be accepted or not, like they have some doubt. But as an example, when you said, so many people can follow. So it can be like as you told, like yes, like anyone can find their own way. So and finding that like his or her own way, end of the day, where they will go, it will be fine. If they are happy, end of the day, so they will be fine. So I think it's like
I think rather than following me or anybody else,
no, it means like inspiration,
yes,
or like it can be
to question yourself.
yes
I'm
that
questioning myself, and I'm open to listening to criticism, listening to critique, कि अगर कुछ सच्चाई है उसमें तो I have to work with it.
Yes, yes, yes. People, like, end of the day, like, everybody will understand and will accept, like, like, that thing I'm trying to explain. And Didi, like, oh, what will be, as I know, like, you have like created like proper company like that is there in West mostly, which is very unusual here in India. I don't know. Maybe there are many others, but I know your company is a proper like एकदम मतलब जो जैसे विदेशों में कंपनी होता है एकदम आवर्स बेसिस में ड्यूटी ये सब, तो उससे
Yeah.
क्या हो रहा है कि एक तो अच्छा हो रहा है कि मेरे ख्याल से जो स्टूडेंट्स सीख रहे हैं उसके बाद प्रोफेशनल फील्ड में आना चाहते हैं तो उनके फॉर देम इट्स अ ह्यूज प्लेटफॉर्म एंड आई थिंक directly or indirectly it is helping the economy as well because then they can have the support of their initial finance and they can work on their artistic even the learning process they can continue their learning session. So how did you plan or it came automatically? So yeah.
No, it just happened like drop by drop by drop. First, नाम तो है बड़ा दृष्टिकोण डांस फाउंडेशन बट उसमें मैं ही थी. हाँ, फिर धीरे धीरे मैं और योगेश गंगानी थे जो तबला बजाते थे. फिर one dancer added, then maybe one more dancer added. So it was a very small process. नाम ज्यादा बड़ा था
नहीं नहीं
और
काम भी बढ़ गया
और ड्रीम्स बड़े थे. Company was a very small thing. Dreams, we had big dreams. We have dreams. So it's a repertory company. See, there's a difference between a repertory company and an institution. Because I dance quite regularly, my classical solos, my classical group work, I'm still dancing in the
yeah
company and the contemporary work that we make. I'm dancing in that too till now. There was always a problem of being settled in one place because we were traveling around. And therefore, long in my career, I decided that let this be, I'm first and foremost a dancer and a performer, and then a choreographer. But teaching, a teaching institution, is something where you need to have the responsibility, immense responsibility for your students and making sure that you're present actually. You know, I didn't want to do so much with like proxy teaching. And at many points I felt, I need to do it when I want to share really openly with full thing. So that's how the repertory company was formed. But I must add that because this is a financial discussion, a repertory company, we also made it a teaching company initially. But then we shifted it to a very remote place in Delhi. It's very, very at the outskirts of Delhi. तो वहां अंदर तो आने का किसी का सवाल नहीं था because there is no public transport where I live. In the last 5-6 kilometers, no public transport. So that institution रह गया और repertory company बन गई.
Okay.
Now, the pitfalls in a repertory company is that when it's working well, when their performance is happening, tab to it's very good. But the income is random.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. Whereas a teaching an institution,
it's a regular.
A more stable way of looking at it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So then you have a
regular, stable income, regular.
And also, abhi jo problem hai. My dance company is like there's no performances. But if it was a teaching company, then we could have already taken it on
online classes and all. Yes.
So, so I do feel that at some point, maybe this happened about, I'm not sure exactly, 20 years or 15 years ago. when we shifted from outside to inside. And outside meaning where there was public transport, where people could have come
The
to,
communication, like with.
yeah, yeah. And the concentration shifted completely on a performing unit. I would advise and suggest that repertories should exist on a professional basis. ये नहीं कि अपने ही students को repertory में डाल, it's always better to have a repertory which you have professional students. So the bouquet is not like one only roses, but different flowers coming from different backgrounds and gurus. But the teaching institution is something that should have gone along. And it's strange क्योंकि पिछले 5 साल से हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि करेंगे, करना है, बट ये होते लग कि चलो ट्रैवलिंग होने लगा, नया प्रोडक्शन होने लगा, तो एक ठहराव होना चाहिए जब, हाँ जी. And I don't like to do anything halfway. कि चलो कर लिया, अच्छा अब 2 महीना हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं, नहीं. तो सोच है, but I think financially it's very important. Secondly, I think I also yesterday, Mr. Farooq Chaudhary, who's the producer for Akram Khan Company, and he's helped us also as a dramaturg in many of our productions. He said something amazing, that, institutions that present dance, it's also very important that they will have their established people who can sell tickets, who they know that auditorium भर जाएगा, ticket sell हो जाएगी. अगर उन्हीं को बुलाते रहेंगे तो बदलाव कैसे आएगा, change कैसे आएगा? So you have to have an institution that is presenting dance to be able to present, of course, their short performances where sort of money comes in, but also curate and invite performances that are amazing in content, no compromise on quality, amazing in content, but who are not at that point able to attract so many people.
Yeah. So that, yeah. Got the point.
Yeah, and otherwise, how will there be any development, he said. So that's also very important in this for the economics of it, for big institutions to think about, to sponsor dance.
Yeah. So that, like, who are good in quality, they also can get, they be supported, and at the same time the institutions, like, they can have an like a eye opening, like, by watching their performance, so that they can, like, start thinking how they can develop their skill or something like that in terms of presentation and all. So yes, it's really a good thing.
And he said something something else which was very important. He said sometimes venue should not just call a dancer to perform, but actually nurture that company. So there are venues of different levels. Calcutta must be having so many venues. Small, really small, big, grand. Maybe they can adopt, the grand one can adopt 5 established companies, two
mediocre, yeah, like,
not mediocre in work, but
budget wise, group wise,
and then they adopt those companies, so they nurture the company. How do we just produce great work? How can it happen? Because there is no funding, and now I'm really worried that what is going
that's
to
why,
happen.
like, we all are trying to find our own way, and we are doing. And in other way, I think, like, as you did, I know, and we many others dancers and artists are doing. So it's in I feel in some way, yes, like, we, the artist or the art, has that capacity to survive by ourselves as well. But at the same time, as that Mr. Farooq Chaudhary or whoever has said this, so if we can support each other and finding our own way, So definitely, if we get government support, so it is almost needed. But at the same time, we can start our own way, and then if supports will come, so it will definitely will easy, make it easy. So
बट संदीप जी अभी कैसे ओन वे में करेंगे? हम लोग छोटा छोटा कर रहे हैं
uh,
इतना, and millions of artists, and honestly what one sees, theaters will be the last to open. um,
we
कैसे वैसे in normal times it was difficult to sell tickets. I mean, Calcutta and Bombay has a history of, and has a system of, ticketed shows.
no, no,
Delhi,
no, Didi, no, no, no. For
no,
for dance and all, no, no, hardly few performances are ticketed. Most of the performances are free. Even the
वही
festivals, the main
वही
festivals, like the only one festivals we have from the government level, that Uday Shankar Dance Festival. I think you also performed long time
yes.
back. Yeah, that is free. Like a for 7 days festival, it's completely free. So no, no. So it is
So
almost.
that's what I mean, that in
Ah,
Bombay they have a system of tickets.
yes, yes. Mumbai may have.
Yeah, in but तो normal time पे भी मुश्किल था, तो
वही
अब तो कितना मुश्किल है. So definitely the government
government support is needed. I
is
think.
needed,
Yeah.
government policy is required. Big corporate houses have to look at it.
Yes.
It's understandable that in the first 1 or 2 months of
Yeah.
the pandemic,
Then initially we can survive, but next, yeah.
4 months have gone by, and there has to be some thought
Policy.
process,
Yes.
policy, thought process, how this is going to change.
And I think I think you know better than me, and many other information that you might have got it already. I know in Europe, even in Czech Republic or some that in those countries also, artists have been paid for 3 months salary. I know it is true. It might not be huge amount, but still at least some support so that they have the courage. Yes, government is with us. So the
Yes,
strength,
and
yeah,
it's so important because when you have to talk about um, the uniqueness of
yeah,
in culture, then you put artists as your ambassadors. Huh? But now is the time. Now
now,
is
now, now, yes,
to make these artists go through this difficult phase. Maybe 3 months, 6 months, small support
huh.
for
So
basic needs, and only to artists who have really struggling, who have
yes,
no home, who have no
and
vehicle.
and not only artist Didi, also art related the makeup or light designer those
Yes, yes,
uh, those are really because for example still the artist may have the tuition and they are managing with online and all, so it might be okay initially, huh? But for them how they can be doing makeup online or like a light.
makeup people,
huh
light people, sound engineers,
huh the
costume
art,
silpe, all the stage hands, all the
huh,
theater.
huh.
It's that. I mean, they have no way of
Other way, no way. They can't be online. They can't be online. We can
what will
teach.
they do online
Huh.
exactly.
Like for example, though like you told you not yet set up your institution, but still I know if tomorrow you will announce you will get students or you have by God grace you have other support, so that is different. So we have the option, but for them there is no option. No
Exactly.
option, no option. No, if they want to carry on their profession, so they can't. So I think definitely, as you told, initial, it should be started. It may be very little, but it should be started so that yes,
Exactly. It can be very little, it
yeah,
can be just bare minimum, but at least their
start,
food,
start.
खाना तो होना चाहिए ना.
We जो अन्न वस्त्र वासस्थान जो माने basic requirement for any human being, so that should be
Exactly.
that should be started, and definitely if with the other help like the corporate or many other help, it can enhance that. That is okay, and we can find other options, but it should be started. It should be started.
Absolutely.
uh,
Yeah, I think it's very necessary.
yeah.
And
Did you?
honestly, I don't know when this is going to finish, what is the outcome, how, these are all questions that are way beyond my comprehension. Um, we never thought 4 months or 5 months ago
No.
that this kind of a global situation, and we are all thrown into it. We are all
Yes.
in the same boat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like for example, like I can remember we used to read the in novel or somewhere like when the plague came. So that time, like people used to move from one country to like from Kolkata. Many people went to Rangoon and all Burma. So they had the
Yeah,
option. But now, at present, the whole world is facing the same
yes,
problem. You can't
yeah.
go. You can't go anywhere. Okay, so I can move from Delhi to Mumbai or Mumbai to the Ahmedabad, but no, it's same. It's same. So
The entire world
world,
is in together, and there is a, how do you say, it's strange. It's such a strange time has become all wrapped up,
yeah,
you know.
yeah,
So
yeah,
the only positive thing I can say is that um, keep reaching out,
yes,
keep
yes,
touching people, even if digitally.
yes, yes,
Be open with your art, so share it.
yes.
Um, Organizers make understand that artists and all the supporting people
Mm, mm,
can't live just on fresh air and love.
yes,
So monetize,
yes,
you
yes.
have to try and monetize it.
Mm.
We are trying to monetize it not for ourselves personally, those who can afford, but for the large group
Larger
of
or the large group of people who are,
large.
yeah, and
Yes,
also the upcoming generations, because they are dreaming with the like art. They are dreaming.
yes.
They don't know if they will see some positivity and some way of surviving, so that they can have the strength. Yes, we can follow this route. Otherwise, like how the art even go on? Like so, it is very important. It is very important.
I think we are all in this together. So we have to find our strength within us. Um, but at the same time, you and I are lucky. And therefore, the government, we
Mm.
are doing whatever we can in a
And
small way.
yes, yes,
The government and the big corporate houses, now is the time that they need to wake up and have some kind of a policy.
yes, yes.
Um, and you know, art seem to be seemingly non-essential, but it is when you take it all away,
Then it,
that's when you realize what, how barren your life is.
yes,
You know,
yes,
it's the arts that make us human.
yes, yes.
And think of these 4 months without music, without literature, without poetry, without dance, without even films. What would it have been?
But as everything is happening, no, everything is happening through online. That's why the essentiality of the art might not be visible, like who are not coming to help everyone.
Yeah.
Like
Yes,
if it will be removed, like exactly, then like like
exactly. Yeah, that when it is not there, that's
yeah,
when you miss.
yes, yes, then only you will see. So anyway, we hope for the best. And Didi, any suggestions for the upcoming generations, like anything, like not only for this like period of time, but forever, like how they should
Well,
motivate themselves.
yeah, I think um, be honest. Um, Remember, there are no shortcuts. It's become very easy to reach, get likes, and get thumbs up and all that. But true artistry lies, I think, in constant vulnerability, where being open and asking yourself, um, constantly about your life, being honest, no shortcuts at all, and approach your work with passion and abandon. But I can, at the same time, I have to add that right now, I don't know what to say to you. I'm sorry.
No.
Because
Yeah.
I'm really struggling to find words for a young dancer, musician, because currently you have to have positivity in your our humanness. Reach out to people, help people, be positive, make a schedule so that you find creative things, keep your creativity alive
Right.
in whatever
Whatever.
fashion.
Yes. Yes.
If you can't dance in a small place, don't dance, play
Do something
music,
else. Yes. Yes.
music, do something creative
Yes.
constantly, and try as much as positive to try cross this bridge.
Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you.